At Lakeland, college is much more than a classroom. It's an experience, getting your feet wet and your hands dirty. Finding what drives and inspires you. It's meeting new people, seeing new places, and discovering where you might fit. Chasing your goals or developing new ones and working towards achieving them. It's immersing yourself in new ideas, innovations, and challenges. Designing projects, running events, managing enterprises, and helping with research. It's collaborating with classmates, companies, and community. Risking failure and finding new ways. It's succeeding at more than academics. It's learning to thrive, to grow, and to excel in new and exciting ways.
That is how you win a championship!
It's both competitive and supportive. It's immersive. It's about learning in action. At Lakeland College, our students go beyond the classroom and learn through tangible experience. We support them as they become highly capable thinkers and doers, ready for whatever comes next. And together, we can move mountains. Or in this case, we can move students beyond the classroom for immersive, hands-on learning experiences that prepare them to succeed in their lives far beyond Lakeland.
Since the beginning of Feast on the Farm in 2016, over $170,000 have been collected and used to fund student-led initiatives. Your generosity has funded the innovation and inspiration of our students. With your support, they have imagined, designed, planned, and implemented projects that have had a lasting impact on them, their education, and our campuses. Because of you, Human Services students have brought together a multidisciplinary group committed to creating a natural playscape for the community's children. The new play area was conceptualized by the Human Services students, designed by the Interior Design students, constructed with the help of our trade students, and filled with plants by the Environmental Sciences students.
The outdoor playscape is a sensory-rich experience that provides opportunities. This is very exciting, and the students have taken the lead on developing the programming that happens within them.
So we have our mud kitchen, and they can bake what they want. They added logs and tires for their gross motor development. They can get very adventurous and get curious with their body and their movement.
Additionally, with your support, our agricultural sciences students have imagined ways to expand and enhance our student-managed farm, powered by New Holland, adding a new grain shed and maternity pen. Our interior design students launched a contest to redesign their cutting room, and the winning design opened this past fall. Our business students hosted events aimed at improving their interview skills and funding their business projects. Our energy students have had new hands-on equipment to teach them the laws of physics. Our environmental sciences students will be collecting wildlife data and monitoring information on new trail cameras and acoustic equipment. Our emergency services students have implemented technology into their checklists and inventory practices. Your support took our university transfer students to Mexico this spring to teach at a variety of private, public, and migrant schools.
It was a really, really incredible feeling. I think a few of us cried. It was so overwhelming, and we were so incredibly grateful to be given this opportunity. We were all willing to work so hard when it came to fundraising, and just knowing that we could put more attention into our lesson plans, and we had a lot of weight kind of lifted off our backs, and just knowing that the community came together to give us this experience, we are incredibly grateful.
There are so many more exciting and innovative projects underway to enhance our students' experience at Lakeland. Your generosity tonight will continue to allow our students the opportunity for enhanced learning, new innovation, and hands-on experiences in the upcoming year. Student-led learning is a cornerstone of what we do, and we could not do it without you. Thank you for supporting our students.